our Lung and Respiratory Day. Thank you to Centene, the Louisiana Health Connections for being our sponsor. But we have over 150 K-12 kids here today working with healthcare professionals, medical doctors, real thoracic, cardiothoracic surgeons. And the beautiful thing about today is this: most kids only get to meet a doctor when they're sick, a healthcare professional when they're sick. Now they're working with healthcare professionals in a collaborative environment, and they're getting to be able to see themselves for what they can be.
Our K2 area, they're doing activities like they'll be able to make their own edible lung, as well as doing a stethoscope, floating ball challenge, and their big build is lung in the bottle. And for our 312 area, they were able to get their hands onto a sheep's lung and heart, so they get their hands on that. And they're also doing something such as the floating ball challenge, and their big build is the mechanical lung.
Put it to your ear, and then put it to Hannah's chest. Yep, just like that. Can you hear her heart?
Today is amazing. We're so excited to partner with STEM Nola. For us, it's about not just giving back to the community, but investing in our future. Centene Corporation is a healthcare enterprise. We insure 1 in every 15 Americans and nearly 500,000 in the state of Louisiana. And so we're really excited to partner with STEM Nola to make sure that, you know, our community members get a chance to see and interact with medical professionals up close and personal. Dr. Mackey and STEM Nola always make sure to facilitate an incredible program where young people of all ages get exposed to science, technology, engineering, and math. And for us in the healthcare industry, it is critical that we have a pipeline of diverse professionals with those skills.
She dropped the fill up. She dropped the fill up. She dropped the fill up a gallon. Breathe, 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 breathe.
Important because they get to know the inner workings of their body. One of the most important organs in your body is the heart. One of the most important functions of it is to get the oxygen everywhere in the body, and that comes from the lungs. It's something they can see, it's something they can actually literally feel, and once you get them curious, interested about the inside of their body, they might want to help everyone else in the community with theirs. This is where it all starts to be doctors, right? We're starting with sheep hearts. They touch everything. They learn the dances, they learn the songs, they get to touch actual tissue, they get to build, but most importantly, you get to see the light bulbs go off. They get to ask the hard questions now and start researching and asking the adults while they're mentored by the people around them.
But you need to get out, and it's good for the kids and expose them to different things.
They need to have that confidence instilled in them, because when you are a minority kid coming through and you've made it this far, you have never seen yourself in these positions. All you see is what you see on the news. All you see is what you see on the basketball court or the football field. So you need to understand that you have to have that confidence, and we instill that confidence in them. But this is an experience that they will always remember, whether they want to be a physician or an engineer or a theater major or a business person. They're going to remember holding that real lung. They're going to remember dissecting it, and it really may start something in them and make that fire start to say, maybe this might be something I want to be, and that's what we need to do.
Cool, right? Ow. In and out.
No.
You see what happened?
No, I got it. Got it. So when you pull this, it inflates because this is where the air is coming in, and when you let go, it exhales out this tube. This is a trachea right here.
Nice.
So this is
what is
this is a diaphragm.